Different size, perhaps. Different material, perhaps. Let me bow this. Oh, I say that's very pretty. Let me bow another rectangular plate. These, by the way, are called Chladni plates, capital C-H-L-A-D-N-I. Chladni showed these to Napoleon. And what did Napoleon say? Professor Chladni makes musical sounds visible. Now, who would believe that there could be seen anything pretty on this plate? But I'm going to sprinkle it with some sand, and I'm going to bow it in the middle. And this is what I got before. So what the plate does, how it vibrates, is governed by its size, shape, nature of stuff, how it's fixed, and how I bow it, because I'm going to bow this in a different way. Watch. And I say that's very pretty. Now, what will a circular plate do? Aluminum, centrally fixed. Oh, let me bow it without anything on it. Notice in the first bowing, I overbowed, excited and harmonic. So I'm going to sprinkle it with sugar, sand, and bow it. And I say that's very pretty. And you notice I have a six-starred figure.